First, we will take out the key inside this remote. On the edge, you would notice there is a switch right there. Just press that switch and then pull out the key, just like that. I'll be using this kind of screwdriver and keeping these buttons down and keeping the logo on top. I'll punch in the screwdriver on the left side in that hole right there, and I'll try to push it upwards, just like that. Now there will be some sort of room created like that, so I'll just push it using the screwdriver. Both sides are taken right there. This is that battery that's supposed to be changed. We'll take it out by punching in the screwdriver on the corner. There's that battery taken out. It is a CR2032 type battery. Now my battery is good, so I will be installing it back. In case if you are replacing the battery, make sure it is CR2032. And when you are installing, just make sure the plus side is at the bottom. So I'll be flipping this like a coin, and the plus sign stays at the bottom. And I will go ahead and punch in that portion right there. You'll hear a clicking sound coming out. That sound itself is a proof that the key is completely inside. Now you'll go ahead and punch in both the sides. So I would recommend keeping the button portion at the bottom and the battery portion comes on top of the button portion. Notice this circled portion is supposed to go to a point where the battery is. Before installing, also make sure that this portion is properly inside and it's not coming out from anywhere. Looks good. Now we'll go ahead and punch both pieces together. Make sure both sides are aligned properly before pushing them. Seems like they are aligned. Now I will give them a slight push. Checking all over the edges are in and it's not coming out. Seems like it's all good. Now I will go ahead and punch in the key inside. With that, we are done with the replacement of the battery in this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.